Welcome. Welcome to Unit 10, Reflection and Refraction. In this unit, if you go through the NCERT book, if you read the first two paragraphs of the NCERT book, then obviously one question can be asked from there. That is, how can we see any object? In class 9 and 8, we have understood about the optical mediums. So at first, try to discuss some prerequisites, okay, that what we have learned in the previous classes. After that, we are going to discuss these questions because that thing is important in discussing. So, optical medium. We know that optical medium is of three types. Number one is called transparent medium. Obviously, the medium through which the light can pass through easily. Next is the translucent medium. Obviously, through which the light cannot pass through easily but can pass. Next is the opaque medium. Opaque medium are those through which the light cannot even pass. Okay, that is, we can say that is it completely bans the light ray. Light cannot pass through it. So here we consider an object. Okay, if it is made up of transparent medium, just like we can say transparent medium if it is made up of glass. Okay, or if it is made up of some water or something, or if it is a water pouch or a glass slab or something. So if I want to see this thing, at first try to understand. After that, I will summarize these things and what we have to write, what you have to write in the exam, that I will tell you. But before that, it is an object. What we want to see? Here is an observer who want to see, with the help of which observer want to see. This is the source. With the help of the source, the observer able to see. So the light coming out from the source, obviously it should pass through air or water or any other medium. So obviously it should pass through this medium. This is an optical medium, transparent medium. It should follow the straight line. After that, the light strikes at this point. If the light strikes at this point, then it returns back and enters into the eye of the observer. So it changes its direction without entering into another medium. Just like it has not entered the object, the medium of the object, it changes its direction from the surface of the object. Okay, so this ray that we have obtained here, it is the reflected ray, and this optical phenomena is here reflection. Okay, that you know. Next is that if the light enters into this object, since I have said it is made up of transparent or translucent medium, so if the light enters into the object and let's say from this point it reflects, it changes its direction. Okay, again it have to come out. So it is just coming out from that medium and it just enters into the eye of the observer. So if we want to see the outside part of that particular object, then our eye basically collecting the reflected rays. Okay, and if I want to see the inside part of the object, then we can observe it through the refracted rays or through the refraction. Okay, so apart from the transparent object and translucent object, the object may be made up of another medium, that is the opaque medium. If it is made up of opaque medium, obviously light cannot enter into the object. So obviously the refraction will not occur, and this light ray will not reach the eye. Then what will happen? We can see the outside part of the object, we cannot see the inside parts of the object. Okay. So whatever I have said till now, if I summarize all of these things, okay, if the object you want to see, then we can see the outer part of the object by reflection, inner part of the object by refraction. Okay, and the light ray coming to the eye, okay, how can we see that object? By the method of retracing. That is, if the light enters into this eye, through this retina and all of these things, after that optical sense, nerve organs, all of these things works functions that we tell later in the next chapter. But if the light enters the eye, we can see this object by the method of retracing. Here the eye, or we can see it basically the eye of the observer, basically try to retrace the origin of the light from which it comes, and this way we can see the object. So we can see the object surrounding us by reflection, by refraction, by reflection and refraction both. So this way we can see any object.